And we're back. Okay, this time we're going to have a look at, let's get this in frame here, the T500 California Hauler. This is the second issue of the 359. This issue with this box art was only issued one time. Okay, so let's have a look at it. The biggest difference with this issue is that it came with the sleeper. If I remember correctly, the original T500 500 at the end of the run came with the sleeper as well. I'm not positive on that part. Now this version, it too has the green glass. Okay. What do we got here? Some loose parts. It also came with clear glass. Then we have bright chrome. I don't have a lot of room to get stuff in focus. Sorry. And then more bright chrome. Plating's pretty nice on these. Somebody was actually doing their job back then. Okay. I really need to wrap those in something so they don't get scratched. And then same tires. Oh wait, this version somehow a lot of people haven't seen these. But a lot of the very first AMT kits came with two-piece tires. And this version has the two-piece tires. You see, they kind of snap together, but they don't stay. They just kind of press fit together. I would never use these, but it's just cool nostalgia to have them. This poor box has seen better days. I need to tape it up. Here's the sleeper. It's been put in a bag to keep it away from the other stuff. And then this plastic is kind of a very, very light cream color. Sorry. Allergies. So it too differs from both the original and the reissue. Excuse me. Of the T500 500. And your decal sheet. It says 2 of them in it. Somebody must have stuck one of these other ones in there, but this appears to be the original. It looks the oldest. Then there's this one also. And it's an original sheet. It's not a sheet from the reissue kit. Some days my allergies just kick my butt. And that's it. It's your normal everyday AMT instructions. Something I always do with my decals is put them inside the instructions to protect them, and I always put them on the bottom of the box where they lay flat. And that about covers it. I wish I had my second issue of the first issue to show you guys, but it's buried in a box. I got a ton of kits boxed up in great big Home Depot boxes out in my living room. So I was rearranging. But that's the difference in your AMT Peterbilt 359 kits. You know, and then they went to the different cab. This is the little window cab. I'm not an expert on Peterbilts. Trust me, I'm not. But one way you can tell, I believe Tim told me this, is that on the little window, your side window is lower than your front window. I'm thinking that little window refers to the windshield. I'm not positive on that. I know I've heard it before, but if I remembered everything I was told, I'd be a computer. Now, this kit, let me check again. Yeah, this one has a Detroit. The later issues not only changed the cab, but they went from having a Detroit diesel to a Cummins. The original issue, I think it's T522 Wrecker, was based on this model with the little window cab, and it has the Detroit. The reissue that just came out not long ago is based on the next version that does not have the little window cab, and it has a Cummins, I think. I don't have the reissue of the Wrecker, but I hope that helps people to identify these kits, to know if you're getting an original or not. Alrighty, just wanted to share. See ya.